Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the mutate function, which is basically a function to create new variables, usually by using existing variables within our data frame. As an example, let me call up the income data frame or income data that we had created before, which now is just a data frame that has two variables, income and education. Let's suppose I wanted to create a new variable called income dollars to express these in raw values. Remember, this is currently per 1,000. So if I multiply it by 1,000, it will express it in its raw value. So what I can do is pipe this into the mutate function. And the way mutate works is you define a name and what you want the new thing to be called. So if I want the new thing to be called income dollars, whoops, underscore. Why is my underscore button not working? There we go. Dollars is given by, and then on the right side of the equal signs, how you want to calculate it. So remember, right now in income dollars, we have a column called income. So if I just type in income, then that's not going to change anything. All I've done is created a new column that called income dollars, but it's taking the exact same numbers from the original vector, the original column. Instead, if I do multiply by 1,000, well, now it's taking the original numbers and multiplying it by 1,000. So that's what the mutate function is doing. I could also mutate a new variable called maybe income per years, like that, which is given by the current income column, but let's divide it by the value in education. So each of these numbers over here. So the first number, actually, I'll do it now so you can see it, education, and run it. What's happening here is that first row is taking 20 as the income divided by 14 to give us 1.428. That's what this formula is saying. Okay. The second row is 32.4 divided by 14 to give us 2.314, and so on. So that's what we've done in using the mutate function. What we can also do now is, let's say I'm really interested in just that last column. I can summarize as we did in the previous video by piping this into the summarize function. And let's say I want to get the mean of the new variable. I might call it mean. I don't know. We can give it a name like new variable. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Whatever's on the left side of the equal sign doesn't really matter. It's just what the name is going to be. But if I just call it mean of the new variable, and the actual function I'm passing in is the mean of income per years, this one over here, I can see that the mean of this new variable, this new column, income per years, is 1.665. Likewise, I can do SD of the new var is given by SD, or standard deviation of income per years. And now by summarizing, we get that information very nicely.